All right, folks, we are here with Alfred, and we are out here at an area that may look familiar to you folks because we did that house down there, and yeah, we did the house on the end there, and we did, I think we did the one next, no, not the one next to it, but the one after that and the one after that, and then the house over on the side over there. So we've done 5 houses down there. We've done 5 homes, and they wanted us to do their pool center, the recreation center here. So this is where we're at today, and we'll go ahead and show you guys the state of this property. And it's pretty dirty. You can see all those spider webs under the fascia hanging over there, and this doorway, you can also see how dirty it is under here with all these little spider webs and such on the door. You can see it. And then as we come in here to the pool area, you can see up here on the roof of this, the ceiling up there. We've already started. We got started before we started filming, but you can see Alfred started on this side and I started on the other side. But you can see up there all that gunk on those rafters up there. It's just disgusting. It's pretty nasty, but it's just spider webs for the most part. And we are going to tackle this using just a regular wand with the J-rod on the end of it. We're going to use this tip here. It's called J-rod. So we're going to use our old faithful J-rod, and I've already started on this corner here just to give you an idea how it's going to turn out. I think you can see up there the difference already. I've cleaned this wall here and part of the ceiling, as you can see, as I'm sure you can tell. And I've cleaned all this. It's still a little dirty over there, but I'm just getting started. And then you can see here where I haven't cleaned yet, and you can tell the difference there. So this is what we're cleaning today. These folks, we've done 5 homes up in here for these people. So this job would normally be a $600 job, but we're doing it for these folks for $400. Just because they are existing customers and because they've given us so much work out here. They love us out here, and well, we love them too because they've been pretty good to us out here. So we're doing this job just for $400. Should take us maybe a couple of hours to finish this. We've got the fascia hanging over here that needs to be cleaned up and all that, but you know, again, this is going to be a pretty easy job. We've got this side here. Alfred's walking around taking a look right now, and we got this side here, and we got the exact same situation over on the other side of the building. We'll have to go outside to get to that one because of that fence over there, but that's it. This is it. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. You can go ahead and fire it up, Alfred, and get going. Alfred's starting over on the side over here, and you can tell the difference where he has cleaned over there. Just night and day. It's a night and day difference. And the same over here where I've cleaned. But we're just going to go ahead and cruise on through this job, and we will keep y'all posted. Okay, folks, we are coming down the home stretch here. We're just about done with this. Alfred's rinsing with a J-rod. I don't know why he's using that. But to rinse the floor, I'll put on a high pressure tip to rinse the floor surface. Alfred's using a J-rod to rinse it up. I guess that's all right. It gets it off, but as you can see in here, it's looking really clean. Looking really nice and clean in here. If y'all can see, probably, that this surface is looking real good. That ceiling, nice and clean. All the way down, looking really nice and clean. And Alfred's just giving it a rinse, but I'll tell you what, The surface in here is looking really nice, looking really clean. Alfred just turned off my machine for me. Appreciate that. But yeah, this is looking really good. Just doing a quick walk around with you guys to show you the condition of the property after we finish. And as you can see, up under the fascia, looking real nice and clean. This outside wall, looking nice and clean. They need to repaint that right there. They need to repaint that, but it's clean. So if they want to repaint it, this is the time to do it because it's clean. So yeah, under here, also nice and clean, looking real good. I think you can probably, hopefully the camera's picking this up. I never know until I go home and edit and look at it. But I'll tell you what, with the naked eye looking at it right now, you know, with just my eyes, this is looking really good, man. Actually, it's looking really good. I am very happy with the way this came out because this clubhouse, this activity center, if you will, is really looking good, man. I mean, we once again did a really great job. Really great job cleaning this up. We even did in the bathrooms here, the entrance to the bathrooms. We have two bathrooms. They're not marked male or female, but all these walls are looking good. There were mud daubers nests in here, which you're going to find in a restroom like this. You know, when you've got a restroom that is outdoors, used for the activity center or the pool area or what have you, you're going to find mud daubers, but you're not going to find them in here anymore. There's a few stains right there I think we can get out. I didn't see those until just now, but there's a couple of mud dauber stains right there and right there. I think I'm going to spray some bleach on those and get them off of there. But other than that, this is looking really good. Let me take you guys outside and show you this part here. Now I will come back, and that over in the corner right there, I think that is something that splattered when I sprayed to rinse this off. That probably just splattered over to that side, but again, you know, not looking bad at all. I'll rinse this area again real quick, but we're pretty much done. There's a little thing hanging on right there that I'll come back and rinse that off as well. But those are just little minor things. For the most part, again, like I say, this activity center is looking really good. Looking really good. I'll take you around this side here and show you the other side that I did as well. Also looking really good. Yeah. Oh yeah, looking nice and clean. Just the way I like it. Just the way we like it. Looking real good. So that is going to sum it up for this job. Again, this is a $600 job. It's just it's like a one-story house, small one-story house. So we normally we'll charge our minimum of $600. We don't come out for less than $600. But for these customers out here, because like I say, we've cleaned 5 of these homes down there, way down there. We cleaned the one on the end, skipped the next one, the 2 after that we also cleaned, and then the one on the other side of the street and one down the street. So we've cleaned 5 homes for these folks out here, and hopefully, you know, word gets around. And also there's another gentleman who, if you leave and go out of this subsection here and go down this road where this truck is headed, down that way, We have another customer who has called us out twice this year, who lives down that road down there, another subsection, another subdivision. But yeah, looking real good. We are done here for the day. We did this for $400 for these folks. We gave them a discount because we love these folks out here in Kingsland.